Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the print shop. I'm going to do this proof sheet. It's a new thing that I actually took it from my friend Jose. He does that all the time and I liked it. I thought the layout was perfect. It was like easy to read and you could go through it really fast. The only thing is that it's a pain in the butt to make them. So I'm gonna do those right now, and we're waiting on the file for this hats because this is what we're gonna embroider. So I just had them, you know, put it there. I just had them fix this B because I don't like how the B, I don't like this line. I want to break here, as well as this B right here because it looks like an R to me. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. And so let's jump in the computer and we'll get those files ready to send to the client. Alright, so we ran into a problem. This one embroidered pretty nice. The inside there is some birth nesting or nesting, and then this one was embroidered pretty good, and then it just started breaking every single needle on that. So when it's doing that, every time it breaks the needle, it the timing gets messed up. So we have to fix the timing, and that's what I'm about to do right now. So I'll put a camera there, and then I'll show you how I do it.
I got nothing to hide.
Alright, so I got the timing correct now, or I'm hoping I did. I just gotta put everything back, and I cleaned everything too, while I had it all taken apart. Make sure that I cleaned everything, and let's see if it makes it work. So for the most part, it looks like it's working. I still need to check it out. I might even be running it a little too. It stopped again, so I have to figure that out. It's not breaking the needle, which is great. So let's continue and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so it's embroidering now. Let's hope that it works this time and I don't have to go and adjust the time again, or it's not doing the bird nesting or whatever, because it's so time consuming and you have to keep doing it over and over and over again. So let's see how it comes out. So it did it again. it didn't not the timing but the nesting. It did it again. I've already switched everything. I just switched the bobbin casing, hoping that would fix it. It made it better, and right now I just gave it a little bit more tension up here. Hopefully that will make it stabilize a little bit better, but who knows. So it's doing it so far, so good. Let's see if I'm able to keep it like that, and hopefully I fixed it. All right, so some of it came out all right. The seat came out great. This bottom part, most of it there was no problem except for the it stopped by itself, but then I just clicked go and then it would keep going. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go back to the 75 needle because I have it at a 110 needle right now. So I'm gonna go back to the 75 because I feel like it looks much cleaner with the 75, and I don't think it's the needle what's causing this problem. I did oil the rotary hook, and it seemed like it made it a little bit better, but that was towards the end of the hat, so I don't know if that's gonna do anything or whatnot. But I'm gonna go back to the 75. I'll do that tomorrow though, because I am done for today. So this is it for me today. We'll see you on the next one.